Hello, welcome to Learning Office Excel 2016. I am Theophilus. In this session, we're going to introduce learners to what Excel is. We're also going to identify what Excel is for and then show you examples of Excel at work. Now, what is Excel? Excel is a part of the Microsoft Office suite, which includes Microsoft Word, Microsoft Access for database, Microsoft Word is for word processing, and then Excel. Now, Excel is a powerful tool for calculation, graphing, creating of tables, and then macro programming. It is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft. There are various versions for various OS. We have the Mac, Android, and then the iOS. And then we also have the web version. In this tutorial, we'll be using the Windows desktop version. And Excel has been around since 1985. Now, what is Excel good for? It's good for number crunching, creating of budgets, tabulating expenses, analyzing surveys, creating of balance sheet, income expenses, etc. It's also good for creating various charts, including bar graphs, histograms, line charts, pie charts, etc. And also good for creating database. The rows and columns can be used to store all kinds of data, text, formula, and then graphics. It's also used to manipulate text, which includes cleaning up the text, also joining text, etc. It's also good for creating graphic dashboards, which summarize the amount of business information in a concise format. We'll be looking at that in this session. Also good for automating complex tasks. Actually, the macros are used to program Excel in such a way that users can also undertake tasks with just a single click of the mouse. Here are examples of Excel at work. There's a course sheet. We have the name of the students and the exam mark and then the grade, good for teachers. And then there is an investment allocation graph, and this is an example of the dashboard. Excel is not only for financial information or for other calculations, but we can also use them for miscellaneous tasks such as this jogging record. And then we have this balance sheet for a fan club. It's a simple balance sheet. We have the current assets, the current liabilities, we have the capital and reserves, and then the net liabilities. For this session, we'll be looking at the Excel 2016 for desktop, and then these are the requirements. We have the computer processor, which should be 1 gigahertz or higher. We have the RAM, which will be at least 1 gigabyte, and we have a hard disk space, which should be at least 3 gigabytes, and then the display requirements.